So another product I'm looking in, it's actually Rayneo Air 4 Pro, which is the literally smart glasses with a huge screen inside of it. These glasses actually have the first HDRiO enabled glasses with the AI and 3D functions. The resolution here in 2D is 1920 by 1080 and the 3D it's 3840 by 1080 with a refresh rate of 60 and 120 on default. And as you can see, they're actually looking pretty decent, so look at that. Like, this is pretty cool. And obviously they're not as big, you know, as some of the previous generations, some of the other devices. They're actually pretty normal, and you literally have a full kind of screen monitor just here. Look, let's just try it on. Glasses and glasses, that should work. Okay, maybe not. Let's take the glasses off. So now these ones actually connect to the phone, so they will display whatever kind of you need, and like that's why there is a cable attached to it, and we can also see that it comes in a different version of it, which for me was like, okay, that is just so cool. Say hi to the Batman and to the Joker. So two kind of versions, which, you know, just attaching the bit of a plastic on it to make it a little bit cooler, and they're also branding that. And the speakers are here with the Bang and Olufsen, so actually you're getting a proper decent quality. One thing, obviously, they work on a cable because they display whatever kind is connected, so you connect your phone to them, and then with your phone you display kind of whatever you need. So for example, here there's like a device which is kind of showing you what's there, but you can just connect it with the phone and see, you know, some nice images, and you can change 2D to 3D as well. So there are some options. I very much like it. So if you want to check out and learn a little bit more about the Rayneo, then check out the link in my description to see their kind of website. But I think it's just cool, and I saw that, you know, they also have some early bird option, which I might look into. Let's see if we can actually have a full unit to review on the channel and do some, you know, testing. And remember, if you like it, just like and subscribe. I'm Batman.